Hey loves, welcome back to my channel and back to another cash stuffing video. So we just gonna get right into it because I don't like doing intros because I'm awkward. So let's start counting this money. Okay, so today we will be cash stuffing $1,372 into all of our envelopes today, and I'm gonna use my calculator today to make things a little bit easier. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 50, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, and $2 plus 2. So that's $1,372. Y'all don't want to know how long it took me to count that. So we got $1,372 we need to stuff today. So let's get started by stuffing my expenses envelope. Okay, got my binder. Okay, first off, rent will be getting $425. So 100, 200, 300, 400. Let's get a 20 and a 5. So that's 100, 200, 300, 400, $25. And that's going into rent. It's almost the first, y'all. Rent's due. Okay, utilities will be getting 150. $150. And let me center this somewhere. Okay, car insurance will be getting 140. And I did get my car insurance lowered just a tad bit, so it's a little more affordable for me. So we got $120, $40 in car insurance. Moving on, car loan will be getting $135. So 100, let's get a 20, a 10, and a 5. So that's $120, $35. Phone will be getting 15. So 10 and a 5. Let's move these up. $15. Phone bill will be due soon too. Wi-Fi will be getting $297. So we got 25, these 2 ones, 25, 26, 27. And I just paid my Wi-Fi bill, so this is empty. Okay, moving on. Credit will be getting 100 this week. And I might make a debt confession video. I don't know yet. I need to do something better about me saving for my debt. Moving on to savings, and savings will be getting this last $100. All right, we stuffed everything in this envelope, well, this binder, and we'll be moving on to my cash envelope. Okay, I got my wallet. And I got $2 left over from last 2 weeks. So that will be going into my savings jar. Okay, first up is gas. Gas will be getting $100 this week. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Toiletries, y'all have not went toiletry shopping all month or 2 months, I think. So this is just getting built up. So as you know, I'm rolling all of this over. So toiletries and food is depleted per usual. So food will be getting $25. So let's take a 20 and a 5 for food. And then toiletries will be getting 15. So one, I just said one. 5, 10, 15. Okay. These is kind of crisp, so I want to separate them so it's easier to count. All right. Toiletries now has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And I just put the crisp ones together. Hold on. Let's count this again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, $55. I don't think toiletries need any more money for the next 2 weeks. Okay? That can go elsewhere. So toiletries got 55 and food has $25 for 2 weeks. And I'll stuff these back into my wallet and we can move on to my sinking funds. Okay, first we're gonna stuff my high priority. These 3 little envelopes. Furniture will be getting $25. 20 and 5. Okay, furniture now has 50, 100, 25, 35, 45, 55. So we got 155 in furniture. Car maintenance will be getting 25 as well. So car maintenance now has 51, 50, 75, 85, 95, 205, 10, 15, 20, 25. I just lost count. So car maintenance now has 225 and okay, last but not least, my emergency will be getting 25 too. Ripping stuff. Okay, stuff this in there. 20. Okay, emergency now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 50, 600, 20, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, $700. Oh my God, we almost to 1,000. This will be getting a 1K slip soon. So we got 700 in emergency. And that's it for this binder. Let's move on to my low priority binder. Okay. So health this week will be getting $15. So we need 3 5s. They so crisp. Okay, health now has 51, 25, 35, 45, 55, 60. So we got 160 into health. Outings will be getting $20. So outings now has 20, 45, 55, 60. $60. Okay. Ariel will be getting $10. And I believe the rest of these envelopes will be getting 10. Okay, Ariel now has 50, 25, 35. No, 50, 75, 85. Business will be getting 10 as well. And y'all, I'm thinking about starting me a purse designing business. Like, I want to design purses because I love purses. But you know, we gonna get there soon. That's like far ahead in the future, like 10 years later as a business I want to start. But it's an idea. So let's see how much we got in here. We got 20, 40, $55. Miscellaneous, we getting this last $10. So miscellaneous now has $25, $30. And that is it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. See you later. This is my regular. I'm talking.